Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save ChatGPT conversation as PDF, how to download notes from ChatGPT, or how to save ChatGPT conversation as PDF. First of all, open your browser, then type in your browser GitHub ChatGPT, hit enter. Now go to the first link right here. Now once you are here, you will have to scroll down, and now from here you will have to download ChatGPT for your desktop according to your operating system. For example, I have Windows, so I'm just going to click on this one right here. So you have to install this, then you have to run the setup and install Git ChatGPT for your desktop. After that, open up the ChatGPT application. Now you will have to log in using your account. After that, we are going to just choose an example here. Anything you can ask from ChatGPT, and when it gives you reply, if you want to save this conversation as a PDF, you can see there is a button right there which is save as PDF, which is the second PDF right here. Just click on it and that conversation will be saved as an PDF file in your computer. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to take notes from ChatGPT. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.